Hi, I'm Jeff White. I'm a project design specialist at Dalinghaus Construction. You think so? Hi, I'm Jeff White. I'm project design specialist at Dalinghaus Construction. Day to day, depending on where the appointment is, driving, whether it be half hour, 2-3 hours, depending on where it's located, showing up, walking the perimeter, walking their house, doing a diagram, and then taking readings, floor sample readings, depending on what the actual concerns are. I've worked with Dalinghaus for 8 months now. Previously, the last 10 years, I was a home inspector. And before that, for 5 years, I actually worked for a foundation drilling company doing big, large caisson foundation drilling. Well, just putting them at ease, letting them know either if they think they have a huge problem and it's just kind of minor cosmetic type things, or if there's coming up with some kind of a plan to kind of help rectify their concerns kind of moving forward. I do. I like it. It's definitely everyone I work with. Our team here, our small team in Arizona, we're pretty close. But definitely, I love what I do. We're statewide. Depending on what the concerns are, we'll travel there. So the most fulfilling thing is just putting a homeowner at peace of mind. Whether they're thinking their house is going to fall down a mountain and kind of walking them off that cliff, or just kind of telling them what steps to expect kind of going forward. Able to show them that I'm not here to sell them $1 million worth of product, just to let them know that hey, we're here to kind of have a responsibility to them and make peace of mind. I'm actually really boring. I hang out with my family. Family is everything to me. I have 2 kids. My oldest is 14. My youngest will be 11. Been married for 12 years now. But yeah, I mean, like I said, family's everything to me. It's pretty much all I do. Yeah, I love watching them play basketball. They've been playing basketball for 3-4 years now. I do enjoy watching them, every season kind of get progressively better. We do a lot of outdoor activities, hiking, camping, side-by-sides, kind of just anything outdoors we really enjoy as well. I love riding dirt bikes and side-by-sides, but actually anything uniquely, I don't know. If you made it this far, thanks for watching. Hopefully you've kind of understand who I am and what I'm about. Any questions, please feel free to reach out.